Yes, sir.
This call is now being recorded.
All right. I guess we shall begin now.
Of course.
Okay. Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. One of the most impactful thoughts and quotes by APJ Abdul Kalam, the greatest personality, one of the greatest personalities that India has ever produced. Namaste, good afternoon, Sastriyakal, Bonjour, Matya Vanakkam, Dobre Den. In case you are wondering what is Dobre Den, it's also good afternoon in Ukraine language. So,
Yeah.
Jai, you need to get
Okay.
used to this kind of things because you're
Of
going
course.
to visit very soon. All right.
Yeah.
So this is your host for this wonderful interaction that I'm going to have with Jay and all of you. This is your host and host Gregory Hendricks signing in along with the wonderful guest that we have, Jay Shah.
Thank you, sir.
Talking
Thank you.
about Jay is, I mean, we can speak a lot about him, but the little that I know about him is a person of a great dedication, somebody who has a smile, that endearing smile all the time on his face, and many more things. I'm sure the people present out here would like to unfold lots of secrets and lots of memories about you as we proceed further in this wonderful heart to heart conversation. Before I proceed, I would like to thank each one of you to join so early and on time to have this interaction going to another level and experience the magic of hard work, dedication, and something that he has achieved and made one of us proud. And it's beyond words to express how happy we are to have you, Jay.
Thank you. Thank
All
you
right.
so much, sir.
So before we start, I would request our respected and resourceful principal, ma'am, Dr. Jaya Parik, to speak a few words as an opening statement.
Thank you, Greg, and welcome, Jay. It's a proud honor that our students convert our vision and mission into reality. You are one such gem we are all proud of. So happy to host you again, and we look forward to meeting you soon in
Of course,
person.
of course,
And for
of
your
course.
onward journey, wish you all the very best. So let's
Thank you.
get
Thank
this
you, ma'am.
talk show on the road. That's beginning with a bang. All the best to both of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring words. You have been always an inspiration to all of us. Thank you so much. All right, Jay. So, my first thing to ask you: how do you feel meeting us, though it is virtually? How do you feel? Express your feelings.
I'm pretty honored to be in front of all of you. And actually, I wanted to meet everyone physically, but that's not possible. So, of course, I'm really happy. I don't have any words.
My dear friend, Jay wanted to meet all of us in person, but due to the corona pandemic and all the restriction, he couldn't. But yes, all thanks to the technology. So we are here with our master, I would say, Jay. So Jay, before we begin, I would like to give you a virtual hug. Can I hug you like this?
Yeah, yeah, of course, sir, of course.
You to hug me. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So let me ask Amit sir to present the PPT. Little more introduction and little more about Jai to know. I request you all to please pin on Amit sir's screen. Then let me tell you, we have the students from 6 to 10 standard here. Even the parents of theirs have joined us. So something more about Jai. J stands for jovial by nature. He is an awesome football player, and he has proven time and again, and he's proving, and he's going to prove it again. Youthful and unique. As for super hardworking, no doubt about it. Highly devoted to task at hand. Amazing person to have around, and very humble and honest. With this, I would say that you are an eager beaver, hardworking person, because your journey itself has scripted a history for all of us and the people around you. I'm sure they're very happy to hear that news when it happened. All right. So let me ask the first question to you, Jay,
Yeah, of course.
and I will be coming up with some of your achievements in the school in some time from now. Okay. So which field have you chosen now? Apart from education field, what else are you doing? Please brief us about it.
So I have have, I'm thinking of becoming a professional footballer, of course. So yeah, of course, day in and day out, I work hard. I work hard every day to reach my dream. So each and every day, I'm a step closer to my dream of becoming a professional footballer.
And apart from being a footballer, in the education field, are you doing something that you always
Uh,
wanted to?
yes, of course, I'm learning about cosmetology, which is, about skin and, Botox and everything. So of course, I'm learning about that, but I'm doing it in, breaks because I don't have that much of time to study and play simultaneously. So of course, when and where I get time, I study.
Thank you so much. Indeed, your hard works are going to be paid off. Thank you. All right,
Yes.
Amit sir, could you present his achievements in the school on the screen, please? So, do you remember some of the achievements that you have achieved in the school? Let's have a look at
Uh,
it. All right. So he has brought lots of accolades to our school and to himself. Second in inter-house 400 into 100 meters relay in 2013-14. Second in inter-house football tournament in 2013-14. Second in inter-house 400 into 100-meter relay in 2014 and 15. Second in inter-house 100-meter race in 2014-15. Second in inter-house 50 meters swimming in 2014-15. First runner-up in inter-school street play exuberance in 2014-15. Second in inter-house marathon in 2015-16. Second in in-house, if I'm not wrong, I'm not able to see the screen. 400-meter running race in 2015-16. Sir, could you proceed further, Amit sir? Second in Interhouse RRI's football tournament in 2015-16, and not able to see it. Just a second, please. They also zonal 50-meter swimming in 2015-16. First in inter-school street play ex GICO in 2015-16. First in DSO zonal 50-meter in 2015-16. Selected to represent school at first national assessment of Mars International Spelling Bee Championship in 2016-17, third in Interschool Street Play Exuberance yet again in 2016-17, first in Interhouse Football Tournament in 2016-17, best football player of RRIs in 2016-17. I'm panting for breath, and the list goes on. That's the great achievement
Thank
that
you.
Jay has, and as I said, the list goes on. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
All right, so we all had been waiting for the much awaited news, which many of you know it, but the children and your juniors haven't heard about it. So I would request you to please unveil that for those who don't know it. What is the greatest achievement that you have got and goes to your credit, please?
So the greatest achievement for now, like I'm selected for Indian national team. So that's one of my biggest achievement, and I'm going to represent India internationally in mini football tournament, which will be held in Ukraine from 11th to 16th of August. So yeah,
You know,
that's
as you were
that's one thing
talking,
I'm
Jay,
very proud of.
as you were talking, there were goosebumps on my hands and all my body. And I would request all of you to just unmute for 10 seconds and give a thundering round of applause for Jai Shah. Everybody, come on.
Presentation.
Oh my goodness. So, Jay,
Thank you so much.
the entire session was reverberating with the sounds of clap. And let me tell you, there are going to be more and more you will be receiving very soon when we'll see you playing those matches and doing something incredible that you have already done and something more that is yet to come. All right, thank you so much.
Yes.
Let's go to the next part. We would like to hear about your journey after you left the school.
So after I left RRIS, I completed my 11th from RRVM and 12th from Abhinav College. And in 2018, I really thought of giving myself a chance at becoming a professional footballer. So I in 2018, I actually focused on becoming a professional footballer. But of course, there were many hurdles. For example, actually, I used to play like I was brilliant at football. I'm still brilliant, but back then I was actually overconfident and over reliant on my potential and skills. So that because of that, I wasted a year in injury. So what happened was in 2019 no in 2018 I met an agent. Like, he was the Indian representative of a Spanish academy. So I met him, like, virtually, of course, on Instagram. So we texted back and forth, and there was this friendly match on, I guess, in September end. No, October end. It was in October end. There was this friendly match, and let me tell you, actually, my sleep schedule back then was really messed up. I used to sleep at 6 or 7 a.m. and then wake up at 3 p.m. and play at 5:30 p.m. and come back home at 7:30 p.m. And that's how my days used to go, because I actually thought that I'm better than everybody, and I'm faster than them, I'm quicker than them, I have a better footballing IQ, so I don't need no practice, I don't need a warm up. I actually used to skip warm ups because I thought that yeah, they do warm up and they still underperform, and I, without warm up, do things that I you cannot even imagine. So I used to skip warm ups. I used to skip my recovery sessions. I used to skip everything, and after matches, I had this regime. So to eat 2 or 3 packets of chips every day after the match. Because I was like, chips won't hurt. Okay, I play so good. Chips won't hurt me. That's fine. So even my diet was messed up, even my sleep schedule, both. But then too, I was pretty overconfident on my skills. So one day, after my match was over, that texted me that come to Pune tomorrow. You have trials, and that was around I read at 8 or 9 when I went home, and I told my mummy that मम्मा ट्रायल्स है. तो बोले फाइन सो जा, एंड फिर कल उठ के चल मेरे साथ, we'll go to Pune. But then me
Excuse me,
being,
Jay. I think your
yes ma'am,
volume has gone down suddenly.
is that fine?
Okay.
Ma'am, we can hear Jay properly.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Must be problem at my end.
Yeah. So where was I? Yeah, of course.
We're
Yeah.
going to
Pune.
Pune.
Leaving for Pune.
Yeah. So my mom told me, take a good 8 hours sleep and then we'll leave. But me being me, I slept at 2. I woke up at 5. I slept for 3 hours, and I played there in Pune, and the trials was in afternoon. Okay, so I aced the trials, of course, but I had a slight discomfort in my left knee, but I of course chose to ignore, because I was like, fine, minor injury, sports injury, doesn't matter. I'll sleep for a day, I'll rest for a day, and everything will be fine. And then I spoke to that agent, and he said, send me, we had a verbal agreement that I'll send him my medical reports, so that, I'm fit to play in Spain and everything. And then we'll do all the paperwork. And I was supposed to leave in August. Okay. So in first week of November, I went for my MRI, my leg MRI. Okay. So in that report, the report read like I had a torn ACL, a partially torn ACL. So my mom said this is a major injury, and I was like, please don't joke around. How can this even happen? And she said that you have to rest at least for 9 months, or 7 to 9 months. And I said, Mummy, I can't afford resting for 7 to 9 months. I can't go without football even for a day. You are telling me to not play football for a year? How? How will that even happen? But I was a prisoner of my mind, because my mind told me, you are fine, Jay, you are fine, nothing can happen to you and everything, because I play good. So that was my overconfidence. Nevertheless, so actually I was like, मम्मी रिपोर्ट चेक करा लो, शायद एक्सचेंज हो गया होगा, मेरे को ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, it can't happen. At one point I was in total denial that machine में खराब होगा कुछ. That I was like, this can't happen to me, this can't. I was in total denial. And then we went to Vokhards and spoke to a specialist. He was a surgeon, I guess. Yeah, he was a surgeon. So he said that this requires surgery, and without that you can't play. And even after that, maybe you can't play to your fullest of like how you used to play. You may not be playing like that. So then and there itself, I started crying. I cried for 2 hours in the hospital, and that's when I realized that how much football meant to me. So my mom said, "Chill, don't worry. We will not do surgery, and you'll get fine. You'll play again in a year." Okay. So I was like, यार एक बार तो मम्मी की बात नहीं मानी मैंने while going to Pune, and I suffered. Let's try this time. You know, So actually, my mom told me, you have to rest, you have to ice your legs, you have to do cryotherapy, everything. You have to take nutrition supplements. You have to change your diet, of course. And then I stopped everything, pizza, burger, everything I stopped. And since then, I, rarely ate something which was, oily or something like that, which is rare for me nowadays. So when we left the hospital, we went for physiotherapy, and I rested for a year. Then in 2020, in Jan 2020, uh, we had my second MRI, and the reports read like I was fine. I was good to go. I can play again. I was like pretty happy, like without surgery and everything. And one thing, I actually had to take nutrition supplements thrice a day, and I was so mentally prepared that I have to come back and I have to play. I kept 3 alarms in order to keep myself on track. Like at 8 a.m. I have to take, at 2 p.m. I have to take, and at 8 p.m. I have to take. So I still have those alarms, and I still take it. And then in Jan 2020, there was this MRI, and I was like, oh, good to go. And I reached out that agent again, and I asked like if the offer is still on table, and he said, of course, yes, it is. Just send me your medical reports, and we'll do the paperwork. So I was like, fine. But then PM Modi announced a national lockdown from April, and again I was going to go in August 2020, and again I couldn't go, and I was again disappointed that like why is it happening to me? Why? I wasted my 2020, wasted my 2019. Like why is it happening with me? But then of course I didn't let that hold myself back. So in 2021, like recently, there was this trial of third division club, and that was my first match after 2 years. Like after my injury, that was the first match I played, and that was a trial at a club. So I actually, performed the average. Like I scored a goal. That's it. That's what all I did in 2 hours time, and I wasn't even happy with my performance. But still, the coach actually selected me, and I was wondering like how. I mean, I was surprised that how did he select me? Like I played average. I'm just recovering from the injury. I just recovered from the injury. But then, like I played around 12 matches. Today was my 13th match, and of course we won. So in 13 matches, my performance was very consistent. And the selector, like now he's now my head coach, but back then the selector, he asked me that will you play for India? And that's how World Cup came into picture and everything. So of course, so 2 years of hard work, maybe three years of hard work. Yeah. So
Oh,
that's
Jay,
it. Yeah.
your journey, your saga, this entire thing of your hardship and all the tremendous effort that you have put in together, that talks a lot about your determination, your devotion, and the mental state that you were in. But it speaks a lot about you. And let me tell you, as we watch Olympics so very closely, and we realize the amount of effort and the sacrifices these each and every athlete puts in is tremendous. When we heard about PV Sindhu that she's going to have,
Yeah, she won
about
bronze.
ice cream, because that means that they have sacrificed so many things which are uncountable. We can't even imagine. and you are being
Yeah, of
into
course.
that shoe as an athlete, you know it very well. So it's good to
Yeah,
hear from the horse's mouth, from the person who has experienced. And all credit goes to you, kudos to you and your family for supporting you through this thick and thin times. And I'm
yeah,
sure
of
it
course.
was lots of hiccups were there in your journey, but you stood firm, and what you have achieved is amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. So let me ask the next question. What is the role of RRI school, of our very Ramratna International School, in this achievement and your journey? Please share with us.
So back in the days, the decorum, the environment was, pretty strict, and everyone has to be disciplined, right? And without discipline, you actually cannot achieve anything. So it taught me discipline. It taught me decision making, like crucial decision. Like once I thought, like when I was injured, I once thought that let's quit football. I don't think so if it's made for me. But then my mom said, it is made for you. Just don't quit. Believe in yourself. I mean, if you won't believe in yourself, nobody else would. So you have to believe in yourself, of course. So yeah, that's it. I got my mental strength from there itself.
All thanks to your mom and us, very very school. And believe me, prayers move mountains. Your the blessings and the prayer that your parents and your family members have done it for you have really worked in your favor. So you should be
Of
ever
course.
grateful to them. Thank you so much. All right. Some of the activities that you remember, the co-curricular activities and few activities that you participated, and you still remember them very fondly from the school. Please share with us.
I remember the days when I had to stay back for street plays with Francis sir and my classmates. So that was pretty fun moment. I still enjoy that. So that and yeah, when I used to participate in track events, running and relay and marathon and everything. So those I remember pretty fondly.
That shows you are a multifaceted person. You are good at sports, you are good at street play, you are good at entertainment and many other things. So it's a bundle of everything that comes together, and it's a rare quality and a rare species, I would say. So wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me, how was your experience as a school's sports captain?
I mean, of course, it had some perks, but the most difficult part was to make decisions that go against your friends. I mean, of course, they are my friends, but I have to make the right decisions. Not the easy ones. I have to make the right ones. So that was pretty difficult to make decisions against my friends and writing the names and everything. So that was pretty difficult for me. But as a council member, I had to do that, and I did it to maintain the discipline.
All right, thank you so much. We are going to have a nice, fun time now. A little dash of humor I'm going to create. So at the end of these few questions that I'm going to ask you, Jay, you're not going to get any red card or yellow card. Don't worry for making a mistake or so. But you'll definitely get something that is going to make your day, or it's going to be very heartening. All right. So the question,
Actually, sir, meeting everyone else has made my day.
right? True. Very true. Very true. So
Great,
it's going
sir.
to wake me up.
The
Yes, sir.
referee is entirely dressed in yellow. You're talking about yellow cards.
Okay, true, sir. Okay, so Jay, I'm going to ask you a few things about the school and the teachers. Okay, you have to use one word to describe some of the teachers that you have, learned under them and in 10th standard. So the first teacher I would say is Dhaneshri ma'am. Describe Dhaneshri ma'am in one word.
Ma'am, sir, Dhanushi ma'am wasn't my teacher in 10th standard. She was in 8th, I guess.
She did not. She never taught you in 9th, 10th.
No, Smita ma'am did.
Okay, but what about if Dhaneshri ma'am you want to describe? Come on. She was a teacher.
Yeah, so mm, fun loving, I guess. Yes.
She is. She is. All right. Let me go to the next one. Asha teacher. Asha Tripathi ma'am.
Pretty laid back.
Okay. But she was hardworking, right? She is. She was all the time on you.
Yeah, of
Uh,
course. No,
together.
actually, no, actually, her sessions, her
Classes.
lectures were pretty laid back. I mean, it wasn't stressful at all to learn under her. So that's what I meant actually.
So you love those classes, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course.
Okay. All right. The next one on my list is Smita Gandhi, ma'am, the vice principal, and your teacher there.
Smart,
Smart.
smart, wise,
Red for
very
Smita.
wise.
Wise and smart, both.
Yeah,
Lovely.
yes.
All right. Sandhya, ma'am,
Sandhya,
your chemistry teacher.
yeah, I remember, but I'm actually, finding a word for her. Um, she was pretty, how should I put it in words? Uh,
If I help you in that, she was quite
yeah, of course,
cheerful.
please do, please do.
She was
Yeah,
quite
of course, she
cheerful.
was cheerful. Yeah,
She was.
of course, yeah. That's what I was thinking about.
All right. The next one is Pinky, ma'am.
Funny, she was funny. She was witty actually.
She was witty, intelligent, funny.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay. And just the one gentleman among these all ladies, Ashok sir.
I, he was my favorite.
He is of many, many.
Yeah,
True, true. Very
yeah,
good. Thank you.
yeah.
All right. The next question to you is you have to be very quick and fast, okay, in giving this answer. Imagine you wake up one morning to be one of the following renowned football players, okay? Who would be and why? Options are Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Sunil Chetri, or Maradona. I hope you have heard four options correctly.
Yes, of course. So rather wake up as Ronaldo, and the reason why is because I want to check his garage because he has the most expensive car that I guess is for 32 million euros, and it's Bugatti. So I just want to, just feel the goodness of that car. So
He's a
yeah,
pair. He
that's it.
is player par excellence. He's a player par excellence.
Yeah,
And I
of
was
course,
watching
of course.
few of his videos and looking at his house. But let me tell you, apart from having lots of money in tons and dozens and whatever it is, but he is also a very generous person because he donates a
Yeah,
lot.
of course. Yes, yes, yes.
A
I
wonderful
know. I've
quality
read
that he
that.
has. A very good human being, I would say.
Yeah, he is very humble.
True,
I mean, everyone should be like that.
true. Thank you so much. All right.
Yeah.
Now, I want to ask you. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Certainly, he's a great philanthropic personality, as
Yeah,
principal,
of
ma'am
course, of course.
rightly said. Very true. All right.
Right, right.
I just want to see you emoting some emotions, bringing out some feelings. So I'll give you a word. Just emote very, very spontaneously, impromptu over here. Okay. Show me anger. Anger.
Yeah, that's my angry face.
I thought it's a doubtful face. You're
Oh
doubtful.
God.
Okay, usually the anger shows when your eyes turn red and big enough, and you look
Yeah.
at something very. Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, the next one is how I don't wish you to be all anytime this, but how will you emote when you're sad?
Sad, okay.
Okay, sad and depressed. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
The next one is something that you might have experienced on the on field, off field also. Excitement and joy.
I just smile in excitement. That's it. Or I scream, but I can't scream. There is no screaming emoji.
Okay, okay. The last one to go is show shyness, which you don't have, I guess. Shyness.
Shine.
Do you
I'm
ever
not very shy. So.
do you ever blush? Do you ever feel shy about something?
No, I don't.
Not at all. Not at all. You're not the person at all. Okay. All right. Okay. One more question. Imagine it's the last minute of your game and both the teams are at par and you're the last one to kick the final winning goal. What will be your emotion, your excitement express?
I'd, I will score the goal and celebrate with my fans instead of my teammates. I'll celebrate with the fans.
Okay, come on, shout loudly and show some kind of excitement if you could possibly. How would you scream? You are the one
Okay.
who did the winning goal. and because of which the team has gone to the podium? Tell me.
Okay, so I'd scream like "Wow!" That means let's go in Spanish.
Oh, lovely, lovely. That's good. New learning for us. Thank God you did not tear off your t-shirt. Okay. Okay. Next question is, I'm going to ask you a tongue twister. All right. Let's see how good are
Yeah.
you at those tongue twisters. And I may ask somebody else also from the audience that we have. Let's see one who can try with us. So the word, the tongue twister is very simple. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
Trimbak. Trimbak is the name of a boy. Okay. Trimbak tried to trick the traveler. Say it
Okay.
10 times
It's
without waiting, not even a fraction of a second. Trimbak tried to trick the traveler. Trimbak tried to trick the traveler. Here you go.
okay. Trimbak tried to trick the traveler. 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 Good.
Bingo,
Nice.
bingo,
Done.
bingo. On the dot, on the dot. Okay. 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 May I ask anybody to be very open and come up and just do this 10 times? Anybody out of the audience? Come on, try. Somebody. How long will you hear me
Sir,
and Jay talking?
Krishna Gumaste has raised his hand. He wants
Yes,
to
Krishna,
try.
please go ahead. Yes, ma'am. Krishna, where are you?
Try to take the traveler. Finger try to take the traveler.
Krishna, Krishna,
Finger
Krishna,
try
Krishna,
to.
Krishna. Krishna, I like to interrupt here. I want to see you while you say that. So can you just switch on your camera?
Sir, actually here there is very darkness here.
All right, no worries, no worries. Go ahead. Start.
Trimber try to trick the traveler. 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 Trimber try to trick the traveler.
All right, Krishna. Thank you. Bravo. Well done, well done. Thank you,
Nice.
Atul sir. Atul sir has written, Greg sir tried to trick Jay, which I did.
Yeah, I read that. I read that.
All right. Thank you, sir. Okay, Jay, the next question is, how do you keep yourself mentally and physically fit?
Mentally, I actually recently started watching Bhagavad Gita, not Bhagavad Gita, sorry, Mahabharat, and reading Bhagavad Gita. I haven't read yet. I mean, like, I haven't completed reading yet. But yeah, of course, I have read 2, 3 pages, and I watch Mahabharat. Like, yeah, yeah, I do.
Okay, could you
And
just, yes, please go ahead.
yeah, and physically, I actually wake up at 5 a.m. I sleep at 8 p.m., 8 or 9 max. And, diet and physically fit. Yeah, that's it. And I hit the gym and I do physiotherapy sessions. That's it.
So following the regime is like your second skin now. You know that this has to be followed, and you do it every day, right?
So, sir, your
Following
voice is crack. Your voice is cracking. I can't hear you.
Okay, I think I'll have to keep my camera switched off. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Now you're clear.
Okay. So what did I say is like following the regime is like your second skin. You know that this has to be done to do something. So you do it regularly
Yeah,
without fail, right?
of course. I
Okay.
have to do it.
Do you remember, or would you like to just recite one of the shlokas or one of the verses from Mahabharata or Gita, which is very inspiring to you?
Okay. It goes like yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bhavata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya sadhuna vinashaya chatushkrita dharma संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. I guess
Oh my,
I
lovely. That's a lovely thing. Okay, I want you to give you a star. Can you just make a star on your forehead? Make
like
a
how
star
will I
on your
do that?
forehead with your finger,
How?
with your own
Okay,
finger.
fine. Okay, fine.
For being so amazing, reminding
Did.
and just reciting that so wonderfully. I'm so glad, so happy, so happy. All right, tell me, how has the school helped you in facing the challenges that the outer world has thrown at you? How has the school helped you?
Like I said, I learned decision making from RRIS. So, in life, there are many decisions that are crucial that can change the path that you have chosen. And, taking the right decision at the right time, that's what I've learned from RRIS.
Sorry for that. It started raining over here, and I had to close the window, so I just rushed. Sorry. All right.
Yeah,
The next question
okay.
to you is Jay.
Yeah.
Uh, all right. The parents play the biggest role in shaping our lives. What lesson have you learned from your parents, and what have they given you?
Like I mentioned earlier, like my mother taught me like to, never give up, never give in. Don't lose hope. There, God is there. God is still there. He'll help everybody. He'll help you. He's there to help, and just keep hopes. And what you ask from nature, you'll get that. You'll definitely get that. There is no doubt. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. There is a lot to be learned.
Well said, well said. The parents are the rock support. They are the ones who guide you on the right path and do everything that is possible for the children. So
Yeah, yeah,
kudos
no
to your
doubt.
mom, dad, and I'm very
Thank you,
certain
thank you.
that they're very happy about this achievement. All right, I want to ask you about, are you still in touch with some of your school friends, and who are they?
Yeah, I'm in touch with Rishi Modi, Lakshay Ostwal, and Dhriti Agarwal. Yeah, that's it. Because I don't actually have time to speak with everyone. So because of that, I have very less friends.
All right, all right. So tell me, how is the outside world different than the school?
So in school, if you fall, if you make mistakes, there are teachers, your gurus to help you with that, to support you, to help you get back on your feet. But in the outside world, there is no support. You are on by your own. So it's all about surviving. I mean, to be precise, the outer world is all about surviving, and the school is all about learning the values, learning the morale, and everything.
All right. So as you said, that outer world is very uncertain. It doesn't. It takes the test first, and it gives you the
Yeah.
result later. So, but the
Okay.
school has already prepared you, as the line, as the the motto of our school says, learning for life. So you have been learning for life, and I'm so glad that you are dwelling upon it and learning further. Thank you so much. All right. What is your message to the juniors that we have present here, and those who are listening to you, and those who are going to also watch this recordings? What's your message to our juniors?
My message is pretty simple that cherish and enjoy the moments, your golden days while it lasts, because the outside world, it's I guess it's pretty cruel, and you have to learn as much as you can from school. That's all I want to say.
That's true. The school days are the golden era. One should
Yeah,
never. Yes, that's very true. We still
yeah,
remember our teachers, our school friends, and we regret at times. Then the children
yeah.
should enjoy that. A lovely message for our juniors. Thank you. And could you
Thank you.
tell us something that you have learned over these years and your experience to become a football player? What is one quality that is so outstanding, and you think that one should have that as junior
Uh,
in for
yeah,
that matter in any field?
yeah, determination, focus, hard work, and to keep yourself motivated in whatever you do, because even for entrances people study, they have to be motivated every day, they have to get up, they have to study and everything. So they have to be determined, and that one quality of determination, that's pretty important to achieve anything in life, in any of the fields.
Very well put up. Very well said. Thank you so much. Okay. Have you ever got a chance to meet Principal Ma'am and have breakfast with her?
Yes, well, when I was a school sports captain, yeah, I had the chance.
And how was the experience? Do you remember what she asked you? What was the conversation all about? Just tell us about it.
Yes, I actually remember the first thing she asked was, how will you maintain the decorum and environment and discipline of RRIS? Because that's what I've been chosen for. That's what a council member is for. So the very first question was, how will you maintain discipline? Like, what are the measures you'll take to ensure that there is discipline and the decorum is maintained? So that's the very first thing she asked, and I still
How
remember.
true it is. How true it is. Discipline is for everything. Doing the studies, your field that you
Yeah,
have chosen,
of course.
doing anything, discipline is a must. Very well said. Very well said. All right. Tell me something funny or something that is humorous that you remember, the episode that happened in the school and you still remember about your friends, your
Okay,
teachers,
so
something.
okay, so there was this day, like when actually Pinky ma'am, or no, it was Pinky ma'am, and she said that we have a surprise maths test, and she came before lunchtime. She announced, she went, and the test was just after the lunch. Okay, so me and my friends and I was sitting in the lawn just discussing. I mean, actually, I wasn't ready for a maths test. I'm never ready for a maths test because I'm not very fond of that subject. Nevertheless, so we were discussing like how to at least get passing marks. Like, what should I, read? Which chapter should I read to get passing marks at least? Just to get, just to pass. And you know, right behind us, Pinky ma'am was standing and calmly listening to our conversation. And just when I turned around, everybody started laughing. So yeah, of course, that was pretty funny back then, and I felt a little awkward, but that's fine. It was funny.
And that's so vividly set in your mind that you could recall and you could share with us.
Yeah.
Very honest and very modest of you to share about it. All right. Do you remember something that happened in? I remember that very well. Something happened in Principal Ma'am's cabin. Something that incident. Would you like to throw light on that? What is the learning that you got from that?
Of course, when I share the story, I'll tell what I learned and what everybody should learn. That I'll tell. So it was a rainy day. I had a stay back for. I was in seventh, and there was a stay back for football. Okay, that was the Bangalore tournament, nationals it was. So I had the stay back, and I was all dirty and drenched in sweat and the rain. So I was standing at Golden Circle, and somebody clicked my photo, and I was shirtless. I mean, I was just wearing a vest, and I was feeling cold. That's why, I removed that shirt and put it on my shoulder. And somebody clicked the photo. The next day, there was this library period. I was, sitting quietly reading a book, and Pune came and said, "के principal ma'am बुला रहे हैं office में अभी." And everybody just looked at me, and I was like, "What happened now? What did I do now? I'm doing everything right. I'm minding my own business. What happened now?" And then I went, and actually, she was pretty angry. She was pretty annoyed, and of course, she had to be annoyed because of the behavior. So she just, she abruptly said, "Okay, like, who do you think you are? Are you Messi or Ronaldo?" So I understood the context that it is something regarding yesterday only. And she said that I had this pic of you where you're not wearing the shirt of RRIS. So I, of course, understood the mistake because I, tampered the image of RRIS, a great school, of course. So that I should have done. But yeah, that was it. And beside her, vice principal sir was sitting back then. Praveen Pawar sir was vice principal, and he just asked me, "Where do you live?" And in my mind, I was about to answer at home because I was baffled. I was confused. Like, what to answer and how? Who clicked my photo? Till this date, I still don't remember who did it. And I was like, "Please, Jay, don't say at home. You look like a clown. Please say something else." And I said, "I live beside Sharan. I live beside Sharan's house." And sir was like, "हाँ, अभी हमको शरण का भी घर याद रखना पड़ेगा." So just abruptly I said, "Sir, Sharan lives beside me." And yeah, I made a fool out of myself, of course. So yeah, of course that was the moment I remember. Back then it was scary. Now it's funny. I mean, of course it had a lesson that you just can't tamper or hurt the image of school, because you, wherever you go, you are a student of RIS, and you represent the school and the values that they have inculcated in you. So of course that wasn't the best thing I could do.
I
Removing the
have no
shoes.
words to say about it. I mean, you yourself learned a lesson from that. And
Yeah, of course.
let me
And
tell you, the best teacher is, as we say, it's experience. But I would say the best teacher
experience,
is
of
a
course.
previous mistake. So when you learn
Hmm.
from your mistake, you will never commit or you will never make that mistake again. So you have learned it, and that's a good example that you have set for others to follow and emulate. So wonderful hearing that.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. All right. One thing that you miss the most about the school.
About the school, the lectures that were held in conference hall, I loved it. It was very cool environment, and I just loved that. I just loved that. The English lectures that were held, combined classes. I guess it was 9th A and 9th B, I guess. So
Was
I
it
miss that.
conducted by,
I miss that.
were they
I miss that a
conducted by
lot.
Sangeeta ma'am? Sangeeta ma'am?
Yes, 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 yes.
All right, all right. So you remember you missed that. Okay. Given a chance, would you like to come
Yeah,
back
of
to
course.
school for a day?
Of course, I wanted to, even for this meeting, I wanted to come physically. I wanted to come in person and meet everyone, take blessings from them. But that can't happen actually. So this is how we meet now, virtually. So yeah, of course, I'd love to. I'd love to.
Okay. According to you, what are the strengths of Ramratna International School? The strength that you cherish and you preserve all your life.
The teachings, the morals, and one specific thing. Despite being an international school, they haven't forgotten their roots. They haven't forgotten the culture, because I still remember, when we used to start the day, we used to start with Saraswati mantra, and then we used to go on for our lectures and everything. So of course that's one thing that's really good, and it keeps us close to our culture, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's what we, our RRAs, are different than the others, and that's then outside outstanding quality that we have. And thanks to all the
Yeah,
parents and the students who went ahead and embrace those qualities and embrace those practices. So thank you so much. Okay, my
yeah,
next
of course,
question
and
is,
yeah, one more thing. I still remember the RRIS logo. It has a pencil, and then it has roots. So even that indicates that you have to be grounded. You have to be connected to your culture, to your you know personality, your character. So yeah, of course,
what a
in that
what a
in that.
beautiful interpretation that was, and so well
Thank you,
articulated. Thank you so much.
thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
how can alumni contribute to the school? Tell me.
Like as in like alumni has to contribute.
Yes, what can they do to contribute or to bring their support and initiatives in the school? How can they contribute towards the school?
Okay, so like this meeting, of course, they can hold such meetings, and in that they can, share their experiences, that what in all the past years they have achieved, or they have come across the hurdles and everything. So of course that can be, lesson for our juniors, which are still in school, that what outside world is actually like, because it's not like a fairy tale at all. So of course, yeah,
The picture is not rosy outside. It's not.
yeah, yeah,
You need
right,
to make your way. That's
right,
true. All right.
right.
What can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni? What can school do?
Uh, this back to the roots session is also a nice way, but I had this idea of keeping a get together sort of in every 6 months maybe, or whenever the time permits. In order to meet everyone physically, and share. Of course, what effects does virtual meeting create? I mean, that's not the impact that everyone wants. Like, if you meet physically someone, that's more impactful. So yeah, of course, that's it.
In that case, blame it to Corona. We can't do that. Hopefully the things change and we are back to normal, and we will definitely try to meet in person and have a
Of course,
nice,
of course, of course.
yes, gala time and learn from each other as we are always been doing. Thank you. Okay. So, Amit sir, he has been a wonderful interview. Hello. Who's
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir. I would request you to present the special hamper that I'm going to give him, the special thing that I'm going to give him. Could you just present it on the screen? So, Jay, you have been an awesome interviewee and you have answered lovely questions and answers. So, these are the goodies from Gregory. Okay, I hope you enjoy. And these goodies include nothing but all countless prayers, endless
Ah,
wishes, and
thank
blessings
you,
from all of us.
thank you so much.
From all
Thank
of
you,
us
thank
who are
you.
present here, who are not present here. All right. Paramjit, ma'am, could you be on mute? Thank you, ma'am. So all these goodies from Gregory, as in, coffee with Karan, we sit. So these are goodies and all the blessings all this day and for every single day in your life. Thank you so much. There is a
Thank
surprise for you. I was in touch with Sangeeta ma'am and Pinky ma'am, but they both could not make it because they have their busy schedule and they have classes and so.
you.
But Sangeeta ma'am
Okay.
has sent a message which I would like to read it word to word. Okay. So as she
Okay.
said, when I told that I'm going to interview Jay Shah, she was happy, excited. So she has written something for you. I'm just reading it out. I was astonished to hear about his feat, but never doubted his decisions. I remember his mother so worried about him. She also added, I remember him to be shy but yet strong headed, aloof and thoughtful, but wrote good narratives.
Yeah.
Loads of blessings and God bless him always. This is a beautiful message from Sangeeta Gomes, ma'am, your English teacher, Jai. So, what would you like to say on this?
Um, I'll just say thank you so much, Sangeeta. I'll actually text her in personal, of course, after this, and I would just like to thank and show my heartfelt gratitude towards her that she taught me so much things in 4 years. So of course, that's that's it.
Thank you so much. Jay, it's a red letter day for us, and it's a red letter day for everyone present out here. I would request the students and the participants, if you have any questions, please drop in chat
Great,
box.
sir. There's a
Thank
short video that we had for
Yes,
Jay,
sir. We
and
will. We will. Yes, sir.
should I play it now?
Give me a minute, please, sir.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you, sir. So, Jay, so there are going to be questions. If there are any questions, please drop in chat box. And if the time permits, we will go ahead and we'll ask those questions to Jay and we'll get the answers as well. So, Jay, there is a small video clipping that we have prepared, Amit sir and Reshma ma'am. So, it's small glimpses of your journey in Ramratna International School. I hope you enjoy. Everybody watch it. Amit sir is playing it right now on the screen.
यादों का बस्ता लेकर चले हम जाने कहाँ और क्यों साथ छोड़ चुके हैं दूर हो गए हैं जाने कहाँ और क्यों यादों का बस्ता लेकर चले हम जाने कहाँ और क्यों साथ छोड़ चुके बसी, मिलने के हालात नहीं, जगह वो पुरानी, बारिश का पानी है अब तक थी जैसे कभी, ना हम बदले ना ही बदले कभी भी, वैसे के वैसे अभी, यादों का बस्ता। थे दिन जब बचपन के हम गलती करते थे, डरते थे।
Yes, Jay, I am very certain that this small video, small clipping has created lots of ripples of emotions in your heart. Please express.
Hello?
Could you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I can.
So, watching this video has created lots of emotion. There are ups and downs. Emotions are mixed now after watching it. So, please share those emotions with us. How did you feel?
It was very nostalgic. I was like, I'm still in RRS. I'm still a part of RRS. I'm still studying in RRS. That's what I actually felt. And yadein taza ho gayi, sort of ho gaya.
You are always part of RRS. You are never gone away from us. You are there in our heart, and your memories are always going to be there. All right. May I request now some of our teachers would like to ask questions or speak to Jay and talk about him. So the forum is open now for all those who would like to speak about Jay. Who would like to come first?
Namaste, sir. Namaste, Greg, sir. Namaste, Jay.
Namaste, ma'am.
Hello, Sham.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. आप कैसे हो?
Bus, I'm fine. I mean, it's so good to see you. Remember, we used to travel in the same bus.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, Jay had a good. I mean, you have a good sense of humor. I mean, yeah, I know. Like you were very funny when we used to travel in the bus, and yes, your fondness for animals, right? You used
Yeah.
to be so fond of we used to go to his stop. एंड दीदी बोलती थी जय किधर है, जय कोई डॉगीज होते थे वहां पे, ही यूज्ड टू बी स्टैंडिंग देयर. yes, yes, and we used to tease him also, लगता है एक दिन तो स्कूल भी लेके आ जाएगा करके.
I had a set of dogs in school too.
Yes, and like I remember once you telling that I will become a veterinary doctor. I don't know. I mean, maybe it was it wasn't fun, but I'm like very happy to know your fates, like what you have achieved, what you have learned when you moving towards your goal. So I'm really very proud of you, Jay. Actually,
Thank you.
it's such a heartening feeling. I'm so proud of you, actually.
Thank you so much.
And
ma'am.
God bless you. Always keep that smile on your face. Always keep your eye on follow your passion. So whatever you're doing, and yes, I think good lesson you learned is having a good healthy schedule, sleeping
Yeah.
schedule and eating habits. That is really good, because I remember whenever used to I slept late, so used to always run in the morning. Sometimes your mom used to
Yeah.
stand in the balcony. Yes, you are always late. So I'm good that you learned this, at least following your passion, you learned this. So God bless
Yeah.
you. All the best to you. All the
Thank
best.
you.
Yes, make us all proud. You have already made us proud. So we are proud of you, and make us more proud. Make our country proud. Okay.
Of course, ma'am. I'll do. I'll
Take
definitely
care.
do.
Bye.
Thank
And
you,
we are
ma'am.
surely going to meet you in school. Once the
Of
school
course, of course.
reopens. Yes.
As soon as it reopens, I'll come.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Usha ma'am, for broadening that smile on our faces, which was already
Yes.
there. You broaden a smile, reminiscing those old memories and giving those little, I would say the tinge of humor that you created with your experience and the sharing. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Namaste, Jay. Namaste, Greg sir. Good
Namaste, ma'am.
afternoon.
Hello, Smita, ma'am.
Hi, Jay. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. I'm great.
So
I'm
nice.
doing absolutely fine.
Yeah, I can see that. You are really looking handsome, all charged
Thank
up
you.
to
Yeah,
make us, to make our country proud, right?
I'll definitely do that. I'll definitely do
Definitely. We are sure about it.
that.
And
I'm
so,
going there to win.
sorry?
I'm going there to win.
Yes, you are definitely. And our blessings, our best wishes are there with you. Entire RRS family is with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
So
you.
proud of you. So proud of you.
Thank you.
I was really like, wow, when I read that you are going to represent India, in the mini World Cup. And I was like, wow, kya baat hai. So we were so happy, Jay, and will always be very proud of you, no matter what is the result, outcome, whatever. We are very sure that you're going to rock, but still, the way you have moved ahead, the way you have achieved your passion, we are definitely going to be proud of you forever.
Okay.
So, congratulations,
Thank
congratulations
you.
to you, and
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
congratulations
you.
to your family, especially your mother, because
Yeah,
she
of course. She
always
is
was
my
her
pillar.
strength. I remember she
She
was.
she's my backbone. Whatever I have achieved, it's
Yes,
just because of her.
yes, we know
Of
that
course.
because I always remembered her in the school, always standing beside you, even in the PTMs and all, no matter what we say. She used to always show that confidence ki ma'am, you tell me, Jay ye karke batayega.
Okay.
That was her zeal always for you. So
Okay.
big kudos, round of applause to your mother.
Thank you.
Actually, she deserves all the appreciation for
Okay.
making you what you are, I feel. And definitely your passion is the one which has taken you at that
Of
level.
course. Where I am currently, it's just because of my mother's, hopes and my mother's
Yes,
trust on me. So
yes,
that
yes.
has made
She
it
had
great.
immense trust and faith on you, no doubt about it.
Okay.
So, congratulations to you and your mother, and congratulations to us also, because you are
Of course.
our child, and we are
Of
so
course.
proud that you are going to represent India and make us all proud. You have already made us proud. We love you with from bottom of our heart. Wish you
Thank
all
you.
the best. Stay happy, keep smiling always, no matter whatever happens. Just keep smiling and just continue with the same passion in your life.
As long as I'm part of RRIS, I'll be smiling. There is the smile.
Yes, and you're always going to be a part of RRX. You're always going to
Okay. So
smile.
I'm always smiling.
Okay, all the best, Jay. And
Thank
definitely,
you.
once this lockdown opens up and when you're back, please do come and meet us. We'll be very happy to meet you in person.
Of course, of course. Sure.
Thank you,
Take care,
Smita
Jay.
ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you,
And
Smita
convey
ma'am.
our regards to your mother, definitely. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you
sure,
for all
sure.
those lovely
She
memories.
is
Thank you
in
so much.
discipline.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Smita ma'am. Thank you, Jay. One second,
Namaste.
Dhanashree
Yeah.
ma'am, one
Yeah.
second. I'm sure he's going to come out with flying colors. Just for the generosity of information, after his Ukraine tour, he's also going in October, month of October, at Spain for under 21 World Cup. So this is just one more feather in his cap, and there are going to be more and more achievements and endeavors in his life. So he's going to be a
It's
superstar.
going to
That's
be
for sure.
endless. It's going to
Yes.
be endless now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Our
Yes.
blessings with you, Dhanashree ma'am. Over to
Yes.
you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Namaste,
ma'am.
everyone. Hello, Jay.
Good
First of all,
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. I'm going to show everyone this Jay. He is my student. To
Yeah,
everyone,
of
I'm
course,
going
of
to
course.
proudly tell everyone.
I yeah,
Yeah.
I remember, when it was my first day in RRS, I had this chemistry lecture and you were the teacher and you taught about atoms by
Oh my God.
sharing the piece of papers.
Yes,
I still
yes.
remember that. See?
Oh, I'm so glad that you still remember these things. It's
Of
kind of a
course.
gift for me. You made my day. Yes,
Thank you.
about you, I remember Greg sir was telling you to make angry face, and I was imagining that how Jay can make angry face because I'm not seen in the school anytime you are becoming angry or that kind of a
Yeah,
face. You're always smiling, though you are
yeah.
notorious, but you're humble, too humble. Yeah, this is one thing, and another thing which I would like to express. I was listening to your journey, how you came till here. Let me tell you, it really requires a courage to accept this thing that yes, you got overconfident. This
Yeah,
is
of course.
a really yeah, it's a really great quality, Jay. Really feeling proud of you, and as I said, I'm going to show it to everyone that
Thank
he's
you.
my
Thank you so much.
student, and all the best, and really proud of you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dhanshri ma'am, for those memories. Definitely, as we say, Rome was not built in a day, and he's on the process to make that things come true. He is going to make us proud. He has already made us. Prajakta ma'am, would you like to say something?
Sir, though I have not thought Jay, but I remember his naughty behavior and always running around. And he was a very cheerful child and very humble as well. I have scolded him several times. I remember that. Uh, Yes, I have scolded him several times, but he has humbly accepted his mistakes and have apologized and never repeated that mistake. So I feel proud to have children like this, and I am going to proudly say that he is our student and he is one of our children whom we have brought up. So I'm proudly going to share the achievement that you have got and all the best for your future. And may you receive lots and lots of achievements and your wishes get fulfilled, Jay. All the best, all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very well said, Prajakta ma'am. Thank you.
Namaste,
Honestly, one
Jay.
of the qualities that everybody should possess. Thank you, Ashima. Yes.
Jay, namaste.
Hi.
Asha ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ मैम हेलो
Hello, namaste,
हाँ
Jay.
आ गया
Uh,
नमस्ते मैम
वो जय में ग्रेग सर वो जोश वो जज्बा जो बोलते हैं ना वो स्कूल के समय में ही हमने देखा है। तो सबसे पहले मैं उनकी माता जी को नमस्ते कहना चाहूंगी। नमस्ते मैम। जय आज जो भी है वो आपकी बदौलत है और आपने जैसे कि अभी स्मिता मैम ने कहा आप हमेशा जय के साथ जय के पीछे हमेशा खड़ी रही, आपका ही योगदान रहा है इसमें। मुझे अभी भी याद है जय जब हिंदी के क्लास में नहीं मैम बस बहुत हो गया बस बस बस, तो लेकिन नहीं जय फिर बाद में जय ने उतना करके भी दिखाया। वो मार्क्स इतने अच्छे से आए क्योंकि उनकी मम्मी बहुत चित मैम ये हिंदी में जरा भी ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है, लेकिन जो अंत में एग्जाम के समय जो जय ने करके दिखाया वो बहुत ही अच्छे मार्क्स और अच्छे रिजल्ट थे। तो बहुत खुशी की बात है और आज इतनी खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि आज हमारा जो स्टूडेंट है वो हमारे लिए गौरव की बात है ये कि हमारा भारत देश के लिए भी गर्व की बात है, RRIS के लिए और हम सभी शिक्षक के लिए भी गर्व की बात है। एक बार मुझे आपकी मम्मी मुझे किसी मॉल में मिली थी या कहीं, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि मैम RRIS के जो स्टाफ और जो टीचर्स हैं वो ऐसे कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे। तो ये बहुत ही हमारे सम्मान की बात थी कि हमें जब भी कोई भी पेरेंट ऐसे मिलते हैं और जब हमारे RRIS के बारे में बोलते हैं तो हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात होती है। जय ऑल द बेस्ट, भविष्य में ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
हाँ थैंक यू मैम। एक्चुअली ना देखो मैं हमेशा कंसिडर करता कि मेरी एक मम्मी नहीं है, मेरी बहुत सारी मम्मी है। देखो आप हो सब।
ओके यस वो तो है, हम आपके साथ हमेशा हैं, हमेशा रहेंगे। ओके ऑल द बेस्ट जय।
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद आशा मैम, धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Yes, anyone else would like to speak or ask a question? Kavita ma'am, I would like you to speak on this occasion, please.
Hello Jay.
Hello ma'am. How are
Hello.
you?
I am fine. How are you?
मैम मैं बहुत मस्त हूँ।
I was throughout your interview session. Actually, I was present and I was listening. You know, I enjoyed a lot. And let me tell you, Jay, actually, you're fortunate to get double blessings. Why am I saying double blessings? See, you got showering of RRIS blessings, right? And now you have to feel blessings of Ramratna Vidya Mandir. So when you're getting double blessings, definitely you're going to get success. So all the best for your future, Jay.
I have so many well wishes.
Yeah, see? Okay. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am, for being here. So glad to have you here in our midst. Thank you.
Greg sir,
Anyone
I
else?
would like to ask one question to Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to ask Jay, now you're going to be an international player and a big
ma'am.
celebrity. Will you forget us?
Never, ma'am. Never. I never forget my roots. I never forget my roots. RRIS is my foundation. How can a person forget their foundation?
Wow, that's so sweet of you.
And ma'am, one more thing, I actually still remember, and I would like to apologize for that. And that was, one time when you were, telling my friend to do something, or you were saying something, and I cut you off, and I said, "के चल क्या सुन रहा है? चल नीचे जाके खेलेंगे." If you remember, and I sincerely apologize for that because that wasn't the behavior.
It's
And
okay.
I'm
You learn.
sorry.
You learn from your experiences.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. I
Yeah.
did.
Okay. All the best.
Yeah,
It
thank
needs a
you.
lot of courage. It needs a lot of courage and modesty and humility to, ask for forgiveness. So I appreciate that quality that you have it, and I'm so glad. All right, there are some questions by the children, but in the barrage of these messages, I'm not able to locate. If the child could unmute and ask question to Jai. Or someone could read it out for me. What's the question? Amit sir, if you could help me. Okay, Agastya want to ask. Agastya?
Yeah, so how did you manage to join the academy you are playing for right now before the international tournament?
Okay, so there was this Instagram page I follow, and in that I got the news of trials that there are trials. They are holding a trials for under 18, under 21, and open age group for MDFA third division. So that's where I came across this team, and I went for the trials.
I hope that
Hi Jay, this is Pushpendra. If you remember me, I have a question. I wanted to
Come
know
again,
which.
uncle.
Hi Jay, can you?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Jay, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, yeah, I definitely do. Yeah.
Hi. So I wanted to know which position you usually play. Are you a winger or are you playing defense? Or are you playing at the center? And yeah, what jersey number they have given you?
Actually, I play as a striker, but I can also play as a left wing, wing, and attacking mid. So every attacking position I can play. And they haven't given me any number. They asked me to choose, so I chose the number 14.
All right. All the best. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pushpendra sir. Anyone else? Kanika Kanika, I think I read your question. Could you just unmute and ask? Kanika?
Yes, sir. But yeah, like, have you ever thought of the most memorable memories that you have, like the most important memories that you have had in your life that has brought you here? And when you do, how do you feel?
Okay, so memories can be bad and can be good. So the bad memory was when I tore my ACL and I got to know that I have this injury and I have to rest for for a year, and that actually changed my life. That I took football more seriously, and I thought that if this means everything to me, then I have to give everything to this sport. So of course that actually changed my life, and that gave me a reality check that Ronaldo or Messi, they aren't so overconfident like me, and I have to be humble. I have to humble myself and focus on my career.
Thank you for that sharing. Anyone else would like to ask a
Greg,
question?
I have your questions. If you allow, I can read those questions.
Yes, please do that. Please do that, Priyanka.
So there was a question from Rihan. Rihan asked that question, that what do we have to do for being a football player in an Indian football team?
Okay, so first you have to clear the trials, and then you have to climb up the divisions. And if you're lucky enough, you will get scouted, you will get spotted. For that, you have to place, matches all the year. You have to play and play and play, and prove yourself in every match. You have to be, very consistent, very persistent in your efforts. And for example, if you are an attacker, then you have to score goals almost every time you play, and that's how you'll make an impact for your team, and possibly for your country.
Okay. Thank you, Jay. The next question is from Vedant. Which club did you play in, and at what age you joined the club?
So when I was in ninth standard, I started to play third division MDFA. It was in Juhu, and but because of my 10th, I didn't play much. And then in 11th, I went in hostel, and then I wasn't really regular in that. So that was my first ever club. And then now this year, I have switched my clubs to Ravens, which is also a third division club. But now here I am getting chances and progressing, of course.
Thank you, Jay. And the next question is from Atul sir. How did you manage your studies and sports together?
So there is, my mom told me that, अगर 1 घंटा पढ़ रहा है तो वो दिल लगा के फोन साइड में रख के 1 घंटा पढ़ना होता है, not with phone. You cannot study with phone, and you have to take pen and paper. You can't study with your eyes, and you can recollect and you can remember everything, with your mind. You have to write. So that's one thing. So when I used to study, I just used to study. That's it. I mean, like write करके लिख के सब लिख के होता था. And बिना लिखे अगर हुआ ना मम्मी गुस्सा हो जाएगी.
Yes, that's a good advice, Jay. And Aryan has raised his hand. So Aryan, would you like to unmute and ask your question?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Hello, Jai Bhaiya. So, yeah, you mentioned that you chose the number 14. Any specific reasons why you chose that number?
Yeah, of course. If you are following football, then you would know the Barcelona legend, the Netherlands legend, Johan Cruyff. So I idolize him, and his number was number 14 in Ajax Amsterdam and Barcelona. So that's why I chose 14.
Okay, Bhaiya. All the best for your matches.
Any more questions? No more questions, I guess. So, Jai, I would only like to say, leave your name. Jai Ho.
Yes,
Aapki Jai
Thank
Ho
you.
everywhere. And all the best to you and our Indian team for all the endeavors and all the blessings. I would request now Principal Ma'am to please address the gathering.
Namaste, Jay. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. I'm excited.
It's a great pleasure to see you after all these years. But you
Thank
are
you.
equally witty, but at the same time so down to earth,
Yeah.
very humble.
Yeah.
And I must say, you are growing into a charming, handsome young man.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
People will talk of winning medals and the cups and whatnot. I would say you must look at just winning the hearts. The medals and everything else will follow.
Of course, of course.
In the field of sports also, we keep coming across such examples where people have shown the strength of their character. And personally, for me, that matters more than the brilliance of the gold they win or the silver they win. And I want to see you winning hearts. You must always remember, any action you take as a sports person, as a human being, what would your mother think of that action? What would your mother say about that decision? And the same you can, think of what would your teachers say about that decision? And it would
Yeah,
all
will they be proud of the decision I made?
Yes. So whenever you come across a dilemma, just put yourself in a position where you have to explain it to your mother. And that decision, which gives you a feeling that my mother would appreciate me taking this, then go for it. And similarly, you can think of any guru you believe in. And if that thought comes from within, follow that route. I would simply say, stay an Indian. You are a global citizen, but stay an Indian at heart, because India has a lot to offer to the world. And Vivekananda had said, it's time for the Indians to go out to the world and spread our goodness, our values with the world. So, you have got an opportunity as an international player to show what India stands for. Never think one man can't do enough. Gandhiji was just one man. And you can be that one person. Each one of us can be that one person, which brings a whole lot of a change, a world of change. I must again reiterate what the others have said. I appreciate the honesty. I appreciate your mindfulness. You're conscious of your flaws. And this is the most important when it comes to sports or improvement in any field. One must be conscious of the flaws that one has to work in. One should be willing to accept the flaws and put in efforts to correct it. And you have that own witty, humorous style. Don't lose it. Life is already very serious otherwise. Don't make it serious. no one is anyways going to get out of it alive. So why
Yeah.
make it such a serious issue? And I'm happy you are reading Bhagavad Gita. So that will give you more sense of, doing everything to nourish the soul. It's not just for this one lifetime. This is my advice to you. Whatever you do, that karma is going to make a difference to the world and to your soul. So just keep doing your best. Keep believing in yourself.
Yeah. Ma'am, I have three things to say. First of all, reading Bhagavad Gita, that was my mother's advice to me. That's why I started. And the second thing is, thank God this session is recorded, because I got that golden advice from you that when you have to make a crucial decision, think of others, like your mother, your teachers, and everything. Like, what will they think of it? And also, that's really a golden advice to me. And the third and the last thing, ma'am, वो photo किसने निकाला था?
Huh?
वो photo, ma'am, that photo.
Which one? On my
Who clicked that photo? That shirtless one when I was in West, that on Golden Nest. Please tell me.
That's something which cannot be revealed.
Yeah, in my mind, I'm thinking that it's Vardha, ma'am. If she
Let
did
that
that
be
on
a
that,
secret. Let that be a secret. Okay.
Namaste, Jasminji. Yes. And that's how we keep checking where our students need the guidance. So, that is the secret lesson I have. I'm not going to reveal it to you.
Fine, okay.
Yeah. So I just wish that you remember that knowledge will give you power, but the character will give you respect. And this is what I believe in. It has been said by one of the famous personalities, Bruce Lee. He has earned respect, not just the power, because of his strength in the area of work. So continue with your authenticity. Don't change it. Keep smiling. And I can see yourself motivated. One last thing that I would say to you, because you are going to represent our country, and also because of the current buzz of the Olympics and India's performance in it, it's about breaking the molds. You have a responsibility. Each one of us has a responsibility, but you as a young sportsman has a bigger responsibility to create yourself as a brand for yourself. Don't follow others. Take inspiration from all, but don't be a copy of anyone.
Of course.
Be a brand of your own, create your own style, and yes, break those shackles of myths and prejudices that people have. Have a clear, fresh vision, have your own fresh thoughts, driven by compassion, driven by knowledge, driven by dedication and practice. Like the women of Indian hockey team are proving to the world.
Yeah, they're in semi-finals, I guess, no?
Despite such backgrounds, they could shine like the gold and the silver in the medals. Their brilliance really is beyond it. So you have a bigger contribution to make to the world. May God give you the strength and the wisdom to do it. And I'm always there with you. We all are there. You are our pride. Love you. God bless you. Meet us in your life. Okay?
Thank you.
And Namaste, Jasmine ji. You are the strength that is speaking through this boy. And hats off to you. Salute to such a fantastic mother. Thank you. And I congratulate all the teachers who have made Jai what he is today, along with his mother. We are so proud of you.
I'm thankful to you all who has made his journey so to this level. And his education journey started from Maharashtra board to CBSE board to international IGCSE board, back to our RRVM and back to Maharashtra board. So in that all ups and downs and all that, he could able to reach to this level with all the morals and all whatever learnings he got from your teachers and principal man's advice. Jai has achieved, and all your prayers and blessings will help him to shine our India photo globe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It really brought tears to your eyes when you were talking. Those are the proud mother's words there, and we are so happy to have you. And thank you, Principal Ma'am, for those lovely and profound words of wisdom. And by the way, Jai, you proved that you're quite witty. The last question that you asked, who was that person clicked my picture? I was in peals of laughter. I was in peals of laughter, let me tell you. So it's a funny end, and so lots of mixed feeling that we have gone through. Thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Priyanka Channa Ma'am for conferring me with one more opportunity to host this Back to the Roots. It was indeed an honor and distinct privilege to talk to Jay and knowing about him. I have never spoken to you so much, but till today. So I will be in touch with you since I have got your WhatsApp number, and God bless you and angels kiss you. Do all the best that you can and believe in yourself, self-believe, because the word believe has I in it, I. So believe I. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for being there, and have you all